Is your kitchen constantly overflowing with gadgets and clutter, making it hard to find what you need when you need it? What if you could turn that disarray into a well-oiled machine without breaking the bank? In today's video, I'm sharing 40 useful Amazon kitchen organization ideas that will help you maximize your space, keep things tidy, and make your kitchen more efficient. Ready to get your kitchen in shape? But before we jump into it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to get organized, and hit that subscribe button for more practical tips, reviews, and tricks. Let's dive in. First up, Runnatal Dish Rack. Large 2-tier rack with detachable design for sink or counter use. Holds plates, cups, pots, and more with adjustable drainage. Sturdy, anti-rust steel frame for lasting use. Price $39.99. Next up, Rice Dispenser. The Rice Dispenser, 5L glass container with airtight lid, moisture-proof seal, and wooden stand. Ideal for rice, flour, cereal, and more, with bottom valve for easy dispensing. Price $76. 3. Cereal Dispenser. The Cereal Dispenser 2-pack, 5.5 QT containers with airtight seal and easy portion control. Great for cereal, granola, snacks, and more. Perfect for pantry organization. Price $36.99. 4. Orii Spice Rack. The Orii Spice Rack, 20-jar rotating tower with spices included, etched lids, and compact wood design. Perfect for easy access and stylish kitchen storage. Price $69.99. 5. Fruit and Vegetable Basket. SNTD 5-tier basket, rotating storage rack with metal baskets and wheels. Perfect for fruits, veggies, snacks, and more. Sturdy design for any room. Price $79.99. 6. Joseph Knife Organizer. The Joseph Knife Organizer, compact 2-tier design, holds up to 9 knives safely, fits in most drawers, and saves space. Non-slip feet keep it secure. Price $7.99. 7. MIUKAA Egg Holder. The MIUKAA Egg Holder, 3-tier fridge organizer, holds 30 eggs with automatic rebound design and date dials to track freshness. Space-saving and BPA-free. Price $22.99. 8. Rotating Grain Dispenser. The Rotating Grain Dispenser, 6 compartments with 360 degrees rotation for easy access, holds up to 13 pounds and keeps grains fresh with seal design. Price $39.90. 9. iSPECLE Plate Organizer. The iSPECLE Plate Organizer, peel and stick, pull-out dish rack for cabinets with smooth sliding and handles for easy access to plates and lids. Price $19.99. 10. UMIZILI Glass Jars. The UMIZILI Glass Jars, 16-pack of airtight jars with bamboo lids and chalkboard labels, perfect for storing spices, herbs, beans, candy, and dry foods. Made of high-quality borosilicate glass for durability and freshness preservation. Price $35. 11. Dish Drying Rack. Dish Drying Rack, adjustable stainless steel drainer for drying dishes, vegetables, and fruits. Features a space-saving design with a non-slip base and fits most sinks, keeping your countertop dry and organized. Price $18.88. 12. Over-the-door Pantry Organizer. 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer. This adjustable hanging spice rack offers versatile storage for pantry essentials, canned goods, or bathroom items. With spacious and customizable baskets, it's made from durable, rust-resistant metal for long-lasting use. Easy installation without drilling. Price $49.99. 13. Rubbermaid Food Storage Containers. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers. This 3-piece set features airtight, BPA-free containers made from shatter-resistant Trite and plastic. Ideal for pantry organization. These stackable containers retain freshness and are dishwasher safe. Price: $44.99. 14. Amzcku Divided Serving Tray. Amzcku Divided Serving Tray. A clear, durable organizer with multiple compartments, a secure lid, and a convenient handle. Perfect for snacks, fruits, and nuts. Ideal for parties and entertaining. Price: $14.99. 15. Over-Sink Dish Drying Rack. The Over-the-Sink Dish Drainer Drying Rack. This 3-tier dish rack with a cover offers a sleek, space-saving design. Ideal for drying dishes, glasses, and cutlery. Made of high-quality, rust-resistant materials for durability and easy cleaning, it elevates both your kitchen's functionality and aesthetics. Price: $89.99. 16. MIUKAA Clear Acrylic Spice Drawer Organizer. MIUKAA Clear Acrylic Spice Drawer Organizer. This expandable 4-tier spice rack fits most drawers, holding up to 56 spice jars. Made from durable 2mm thick acrylic, it offers a clear and organized solution for your kitchen. Price: $25.97. 17. DOLALIKE Microwave Oven Rack. The DOLALIKE Microwave Oven Rack. This expandable microwave stand offers adjustable length and sturdy carbon steel construction, perfect for storing kitchen utensils and saving space. Price: $29.99. 18. Wall-mounted 5-grid cereal dispenser. This dispenser holds up to 25 pounds of grains in 5 sections, keeping food fresh with a first-in, first-out design. Space-saving wall mount or countertop option with clear visibility for easy refills. Price: $39.99. 19. Kamenstein 16-jar spice rack. Rotating countertop rack includes 16 labeled jars with sifter caps and free spice refills for 5 years. Stylish black and chrome design keeps spices organized and within reach. Price: $30. 20. Expandable Cabinet Shelf Organizer. Expandable Cabinet Shelf Organizer. This adjustable and stackable storage rack can be customized from 15.7 inch to 25.6 to fit your kitchen needs. Made of durable metal, it holds up to 80 pounds and helps organize kitchen items like bowls, pans, and bottles. Price: $25.99. 21. UDry RollDown Egg Dispenser. The UDry RollDown Egg Dispenser. This space-saving, gravity-fed egg dispenser holds 12 to 14 eggs and dispenses them one at a time with a rolling motion. The 2-tier design fits easily in your fridge, saving space. Price: $12.99. 22. Condiment Jars with Label Spice Rack. The Condiment Jars with Label Spice Rack. This wall-mounted spice container set features large capacity jars with airtight seals and adhesive installation. The transparent design lets you easily identify contents, and the set includes labels for organization. Price: $12.99. 23. Vdomus Pot Rack Organizer. Vdomus Pot Rack Organizer, a versatile kitchen rack with 3 installation options to hold up to 8 pots or pans. It features adjustable dividers, a durable cast iron frame, and improved stability for safe storage. Price: $26.99. 24. Calmbee Storage Bag Organizer. The Calmbee Storage Bag Organizer, a bamboo organizer for foil, plastic wrap, and food storage bags with built-in cutter. It's versatile, durable, and helps organize your kitchen drawers efficiently. Price: $49.99. 25. Juvale Square Metal Mesh Fruit Basket. The Juvale Square Metal Mesh Fruit Basket, set of 4, with wooden handles, perfect for organizing produce, snacks, and kitchen items. Made from durable metal wire, offering sturdy storage solutions. Price: $46.49. 26. Small Bowl Drainer. The Small Bowl Drainer, stainless steel bowl drying rack with 8 dividers, perfect for organizing your kitchen countertop or cabinet. Made of rust-resistant 304 stainless steel for long-lasting use. Price: $15.99. 27. UFRU Rice Dispenser. The UFRU Rice Dispenser, airtight and moisture-proof with a built-in measuring cup and pest prevention features, holds up to 15 pounds of rice. Sloped slide mechanism for easy dispensing. Price: $29.99. 28. UCopia Spice Rack. UCopia Spice Stack Adjustable Spice Rack Organizer. Pull-down design for easy access to 24 spice bottles. Includes 104 labels for custom organization. Price: $37.63. 29. SPACEKEEPER Slim Rolling Storage Cart. SPACEKEEPER Slim Rolling Storage Cart features 3 adjustable tiers and smooth rolling wheels for easy maneuverability in narrow spaces. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and more. Price: $21.71. 30. Cabinet Caddy Spice Rack Organizer. The Cabinet Caddy Spice Rack Organizer maximizes cabinet space with this modular, double-decker spice rack. Enjoy easy access with its slide and rotate design, perfect for small items like spices. Features a non-skid base for stability. Price: $31.99. 31. Stackable Pantry Organizer Baskets. These stackable acrylic baskets with bamboo tops are perfect for storing fruits, veggies, snacks, and more. Designed for space-saving and easy access, ideal for kitchens, pantries, and bathrooms. Price: $26.99. 32. Honey Can Do Cereal Dispenser. This eco-friendly cereal dispenser features a bamboo design and a BPA-free plastic container. Perfect for portion control and keeping your pantry organized and fresh. Price: $34.99. 33. Viratech Food Storage Container. This BPA-free, 3 to 5 pounds capacity container keeps your dry food fresh with airtight sealing and a convenient pouring spout. Ideal for rice, flour, cereal, and pet food organization. Price: $14.99. 34. Chef's Path Food Storage Containers. This set of 4 stackable, 3.2-liter airtight containers keeps food fresh with durable lids and a secure locking mechanism. Ideal for dry foods and liquids, with labels included for easy organization. Price: $32.25. 35. ComSaf 32-ounce glass storage containers. These versatile glass canisters are perfect for storing cereals, snacks, and more with airtight lids to keep food fresh. Clear design allows easy monitoring, and the wide mouth ensures easy scooping. Price: $26.99. 36. OXO Good Grips Pop Container. This airtight, space-efficient container keeps dry foods like flour and sugar fresh. It features a convenient fill line and stackable design, making it perfect for pantry organization. Price: $20.89. 37. Best Chase Pots and Pans Organizer. This expandable organizer with 12 adjustable dividers helps maximize kitchen storage by keeping pots, pans, and lids neatly arranged. Its sturdy, rust-proof design ensures durability and easy cleaning. Price: $26.99. 38. Amazon Basics Glass Storage Set. This versatile set includes 10 glass containers with BPA-free plastic lids, ideal for storing leftovers, lunches, and pantry items. The leak-proof design ensures freshness, and the glass is oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe. Price: $36.05. 39. Pomeat Stackable Fridge Organizers. These stackable bins with lids keep your fridge organized and your food fresh, featuring a tray and drainage hole to prevent moisture. Made from BPA-free, food-grade PET, they come in 3 sizes for optimal storage. Price: $23.99. 40. Umbra UDry Peg Drying Rack. This drying rack features 8 adjustable pegs, allowing for custom organization. The linen mat catches water, ensuring a clean and dry countertop. Price: $12.39. So, which of these kitchen organization items caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.